I just want to ask the questions. We are working towards the marital rape. We are discussing about the marital rape. But why we are not discussing about the already the provisions which are there and they are being misused a lot. Like there is a case in Haryana where a woman filed 58 rape cases, and there the policeman and there the lawyers lobby was involved into that. There were cases in Jaipur, there were cases in Gurgaon where the women are filing a lot of rape cases just for the extortion purpose. And whenever those cases are brought out in front of the system does not penalize them. These kind of extortionists or these kind of criminals are being not given any kind of penalty. Moreover, why we are not talking about the rape of a man? If we look into the data, in 2008, Ministry of Women and Child Development has done a survey. There it was a data that 53.4% boys are also get raped. But why we do not talk about these issues? We heard a story, we heard the news where a 24-year-old tuition teacher, female tuition teacher, raped a boy of 15 years old, and the 15-year-old boy was nabbed by the police, and he was nabbed for the extortion purpose, and later on he committed the suicide, and before committing the suicide he also gave a dying declaration, but no one talks about that. Why these issues?
No, thank you. What is your name?
My name is Manish.
Manish, I don't think that nobody talks about it. The fact that Atul Subhash's case has been taken over by the media the way that it was.
No, but it is only the single case. After that also there were many cases.
There are many cases.
There is Atul Subhash brother also.
And I agree with you that there should be a conversation. There are people like Anil who are working on that. Not that what you're saying is wrong. I feel that the women who file these false cases do a greater disservice to other women than even the men. So we are totally with you on that.